a gun. Oh! Nah, that was clean! That was clean! What's up, guys? Welcome back to another reaction video, and today we are going to be watching the Gaslight District pilot. I am really excited. I have talked about this show in the past, or just the pilot, but I have talked about it on my channel. I'm really excited. I 100% will make a short about it. In fact, I'll probably release the short before I release this reaction video. Probably on Saturday. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I am so hyped.
Do you struggle to get your
No!
just right?
What is this ad?
I know that feeling. That's why
Get
I
away.
partnered with Greg.
Get away. Oh, there it is. 4 minutes? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm so hyped. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, come on, come on. Show me it. Let's do this. Oh, new intro. Yo! That was kind of hype. Didn't have any of the characters, though. Oh. Hello. Jesus, that's a lot of crows. Oh.
The world as we know it came to an end.
I just realized I should probably put the quality higher.
Eons ago.
There we go. Alright. Okay. Talk to me. Oh! That's humanity?
Bent and
Oh.
misshapen by hubris.
Mm-hmm.
I've entered a golden age of never-ending life.
Okay, I got you. Oh, it's a crow humanoid angel thing?
The Rotlings, blissful in their lives of decadent indulgence,
Yeah.
are haunted by a myth.
What's the myth?
Whose blood flows black,
Oh.
threatens our blessed world. Fear the prophet,
Hey, it's the main character.
fear the human, born of the angel's egg.
Born of the angel's egg. Oh. Yo!
Gaslight district, abandoned by
Oh!
denizens of this land.
Bread! It's bread! Bread! Oh, that's actually sick as hell. Gave me Uzi vibes. Oh! Yo.
For all eternity.
Okay.
Until the prophesized human decides to show its face.
Okay. Part 1. The human born of the angel's egg. Okay, I got you. Don't- No! Yeah, kill him! Thank you. Yo, this music! Yo. The smiling dead. Okay, hold up. This is going kind of hard. Yo, wait, it's the chase scene! From the trailer. Yo! Yo! Oh, okay.
Cropper needs a friend.
Breadhead? Okay.
We've left in 3, 2, 1.
Yo! Oh! That was sick. Oh my god. Okay. Did the car just wink? Oh, he's got a gun. Oh! Nah, that was clean. That was clean! Oh my god. Oh! Damn. Yo, I love this OST. Please tell me this is on Spotify. Mud? Okay, I got you.
Why are we hunting Jack? I like Jack.
If we get paid, who cares
Redhead?
why we do it?
Ew.
I'll give you 5
Okay.
scarab to turn mud inside out.
Mel.
I'll
Okay.
come 10.
Ken. Gotcha.
Until you degenerates for free.
Woo! This is actually hype. Jack the Rat. Okay.
Check this out.
Redhead, since you were just a bun in the oven, you've been nothing but good.
Okay.
But your sister.
Oh.
Can't hear you!
Oh my god. It's like Evil Incredibles. Oh, what the? You good, bro?
It's the worst she loses a leg. Just sew on a new one when we get
Oh! Right, okay, they're undead. Okay, I got you. Oh! Yo! Oh, he's undead too, okay. What the? Ew. Wait, did he have that in his head? Yo! Okay, good dodge.
Before you bolted on us. My blood. It's purple. Right.
You
Oh.
can't silence me, black blood.
Huh?
All Jack needed to do was answer correctly, and
Damn.
Papa would have shown him some mercy.
Okay.
It's to Mud and Redhead when they learn you're the human. With
Oh.
Papa being able to protect you when the whole island pieces together what you
Oh.
are.
I'm gonna make sure they don't.
You're human? You're the human? Okay. Okay, there's lore. There's lore. I got it. I got it. Mm-hmm. Oh, damn. You good, Mel? No witnesses.
Shit.
Ah, shit. He got caught by the crow. Ooh! Oh! Damn! Wait, but they're undead though, so that didn't really do anything, right? Yeah! Yeah. Duh! Nice try, you bum!
That's the one of my own. So I won't
Okay.
do it for me.
Ooh! Oh my god!
Please, listen to me.
Oh! Oh!
The shop won't be the same without you, buddy.
Cement him.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Damn. Oh, that's how they take care of the... Oh! I see. Okay. Okay. I mean, they're undead, so... There's another short, I guess. They are dead, so that would be the only way to actually physically take them out, I guess. Oh! Damn! Okay.
Welcome.
Part 2. The Whale
Belly
Butcher Shop. Okay. Okay, that's enough, bro. Yeah, I agree with Mel. Ooh, they got a little restaurant? Okay.
Thank you, Mel.
Oh. I like this guy. I like his design. Yup. I wonder what that tastes like.
Say, Pipsqueak.
Yup.
Impressive stuff.
Ew, the fly's still alive.
First job. How about you come work for me instead? I'll pay you triple whatever Kenny Boy's giving you.
Triple or nothing is still nothing.
Yeah. Ken pays us invaluable life experiences.
Oh,
Back to work, you ungrateful.
good move.
stains.
You're just mad because your greatest fear is finally being realized. Me, an official member of the Smiling Dead.
Ooh. Nice. Wait, what the heck is that?
Keep her bored like this, she's gonna start cooking up some crazy shit herself.
Too late. I already have.
What?
Mal, look at you, huh? Delicate.
I like this animation style.
Oh, you're
It's like stop motion, kinda.
untouched by this putrid world. And I would like to give it that way.
Oh! Damn.
Look at us.
I was not expecting that. Oh.
Musty.
Oh.
Rusty all over.
No.
You ain't one of us. And you never will be.
As I was saying, I may have our biggest job yet.
Ooh,
Oh.
what's the take? Better be
Talk to
enough
me.
To get me one of them cozy mattresses.
Oh. Oh.
Sleeping on that meat hook.
No, Mud.
Yeah.
This has nothing to do with Scarab. More
Oh.
like human hay, egg hay.
The human egg.
Bro. Why would you say it out loud, you idiot? I like
Some
Mel.
digging and figured out where it is. Paradise lost.
Why would you say that out loud?
Into heaven, snatch the egg from its frail old mother.
Okay.
Then smash it in front of the whole town. Boom! We're legends.
I like her.
Paradise Lost belongs to the
She's like a mix of Uzi and Sin.
I ever
Or at
told
least like a
you.
toned down version of Sin. I like her.
When eternity and the inferno is back.
Oh.
Imagine
Oh.
being subjected to a never-ending rain of filthy, icy slush.
Oh.
It's dripping into every fold of your body as you lay
Woo-hoo.
frozen and numb, but yet
Oh.
you can't focus on any of it. It's the
Yeah,
excruciating pain of pulling out an
Oh.
ingrown
Ew. Ow, I freaking felt that. Ow.
Those in favour of a mutiny, point and say, go to hell. Go to hell.
Aww. But yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's the same voice actor as Sin too, right? As Mel? Yeah, it is.
Human
Oh.
egg? What are you selling these idiots, huh? There's only ever one human walking around this shithole, and that's you!
That's the beauty of it, Ken. I'm lying. It's just some dumb angel egg. All those idiots in town will go crazy about it. We dress it up, destroy it, and then no one will think twice about me being human again. Besides,
I mean, fair.
I'm sick of you cementing all my buddies.
And whose fault is that? Jack saw your nose bleed. Honest mistake. Not much we can do about that.
Oh. Backstory?
Black blood!
But you
Oh.
straight up told Romeo, who then told Kathy, who then told Sid. And now I'm missing a dishwasher, a busboy, and two waitresses!
Damn! Rip.
Here.
Okay, it is a dad.
Enter this
Gotcha.
Ken the Butcher, handsome leader of the Smiling Dead.
Okay.
Slays
Talk to
the
me.
Human, saves the Gaslight District for another 10,000 years until
I
the
mean-
human is born again. Blah blah blah.
That could
Also
work.
throwing some crap advertising the restaurant.
Fair enough.
Just look it over. If there's any problem at all, I swear I'll never bring it up again.
All this info is legit.
I love his tiny little glasses.
Times, locations, the
Oh.
virtue.
Who's the virtue?
Report, Sources confirmed.
What is the
and
virtue?
silenced.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, you win. One condition. You
Let's hear it.
don't leave my side.
Fair.
Any stunts like earlier today, and you never see sunlight again.
That's fair. That's fair. Yeah. He's just trying to be protective. Yeah. He better not die, I swear. Part 3, the Angel Egg Scheme. I wonder how many parts there are. I love this. Okay, I said it before. I love this style, though. Oh, everything's black and white. The Virtue. Oh. Paradise Lost. Okay.
Morning, officer. I believe everything should be in order.
Okay. Dude, this is sick! Oh my god. Alright, they're checking the cargo. Dude, oh my god, I love his design. With the weird, like, raven vulture thingy. Oh no, don't you dare. Thank you. Oh. Oh! 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 Why? Oh, ugh! Ow! Ugh. Damn. Ew.
Filthy, rancid, rottling. You may proceed.
Nice. I got worried there for a sec. Oh! Whoa. Yo. Checkpoint, heaven. Oh, wait, do they, like, live in the underworld? Oh! Oh! Oh. Nice.
Alright, here's the plan. Redhead,
Let's hear it.
you're on angel duty.
Okay. Get him, Redhead. Oh! Why? Oh! Oh, good move, I think. Oh, good move!
Mud, secure the cameras and get the guards to focus on our little distraction.
Okay.
I'm Joshua. How long has it been?
Oh.
5,000 years? Actually, 5,245 years.
Okay.
Who's counting? How's my muddy buddy?
Thank you. Thank you.
I hate ya. I'll always hate ya. I will never forgive you.
Not so sure about this plan.
One.
Oh. I mean, if that was the plan, it's working perfectly so far.
An angel storm is forming. Stop it before it rips this place apart.
So far, so good.
Pretty smooth, don't you think?
Yeah.
You're, proud of
Laboratory.
me, right?
Oh.
You know, with everything going according to plan and all.
Man.
Ken?
Need to
Come
make a
on.
pit stop. Just need 5 minutes.
What
What
happened to don't leave my side?
Plans change.
What?
This is what you want, right? To be one of us, a member of the smiling.
Damn. Come on, man. Stick to the
Here's
plan.
your chance. Meet me at the stairway. We go
Okay.
up together. Yeah. Wait
Nice.
for me.
Okay. Yep, he's totally gonna die. Okay. Why the laboratory? What do you need in the laboratory? What the hell? Well, there goes the plan. Stairway to heaven. Oh! Oh, I'm stupid. It is actually like heaven and hell. Okay. I like this, like, idea.
For
Oh,
just a moment.
wait.
Please forgive me.
What the hell? Oh! Damn. Oh!
Butcher! How did you find me?
Oh! Dodge? Or tank? Or that works.
I kept my promise, Ken. I've never spoken a word, any of it, to anyone. Please, reconsider your options.
Oh! 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 Damn! Okay! Oh no.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! We don't want that kind of heat, mate!
Yeah. And now he's being revived. Great. Perfect. Peachy. Alright. Yo, this is with the constellations? That's pretty... Oh, what's that voice? Well, there's the egg. Oh, shit!
Child blessed by black blood.
Ah, shit. That intel.
Oh. Oh! Frick.
You've grown.
What?
I see,
Huh.
old child.
Uh.
You cannot hide what you are from me.
What? Damn! Come on! Yes! Let's go! That is gross, but good for you, I think? Oh! Oh! I was not expecting that. Okay. Yo! Damn! Ah, that's not good.
Storm. I'll take care of the intruders.
It was just a prank, man! Put me back! Put me back!
Damn. You good, bro? Okay, I also did hear that Michael Kovac was voicing someone. Who is he voicing? Was he voicing the weird lab chick? Or guy? Or... I don't know.
You hear it, don't you?
What? Oh, dodge? Okay. Dodge?
All of the prophecy.
What prophecy?
Louder
Oh, wait, that right.
each day.
Damn it. Damn it. Okay. Shit. You good, bro? Plans changed. Yeah! Yeah! You happy? Better not die.
Of angels to rain fire upon all those who rot upon the earth.
Chill! Chill! Yeah, yes! Good hit! Yeah! I see all? Yeah, get out of here, bro. Yes! How are you alive? Okay, oh. Ah, shit. Oh, well, you got your head back.
Ken and Mel, meet me at the entrance.
Oh, shit! Oh, it's the stair scene. Ah, shit. You got the egg. Oh,
Do our pinky promises mean nothing to you?
damn it.
Give me shit later.
Foolish, blind.
Run! Good dodge! Redhead coming in clutch. Oh. Oh, thank you. Yo, I love him. I'm sorry, I love him.
Your feet upon the land to be raised.
And he's a vehicle guy too? Hold on. Oh, shit.
We shall be there to guide you on silver wings.
Oh! Okay. Damn. Damn! Oh, good. Holy! Come on. Run him over! Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, damn! Ah, shit. Oh, shit! I mean, he's an undead, so it doesn't really matter, but still. Oh, shit! Arrgh! Oh. Oh, hell yes. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. What? Good move! Yes, sir! Give it to him!
I'm invincible! Me! A member of the Smiling Dead!
Mel, you good? You good, bro?
Make sure you never end up like one of us.
Right, because she's alive, they're undead. Part 4, the human death ceremony. How many parts of this are there?
Fine, denizens of the Gaslight District. Today, I present to you the human egg.
Nice job! Hell yeah!
Keep it together, kid. Buying it.
Yeah.
Prayer to the Black Hand.
Okay. Ew.
Little human
Alright.
hiding in that egg. Listen
Yeah.
and listen good. You shall never find peace in our land, as we will bathe this spike in your black blood time.
Is it just me or is that egg shaking?
Time again, for you are the one thing to threaten our gift of eternal life. Now, let us
Okay.
rejoice in our victory. Let us restart the cycle. Let us praise the Black Hand for another 10,000 years.
Yeah! Hell yeah!
Just like you planned.
I swear, if you, like...
To the human! Life for us eternal!
Oh, shit! Called it.
No. No, not now!
Shit. Crack the egg, you idiot! What are you doing? Crack the egg! You're hesitating. Oh, what? Shit. To be fair, I kind of expected something like this to happen.
Liars, charlatans,
Hobgoblins! Liars and cheats!
Liars and
bloody fibbers.
Why'd it have to hatch now?
That's not a human.
Dad? What do we do now?
Welcome to the Gaslight District, the land of eternal life. For
Okay.
but
That's a
one
lot of
its
traffic.
denizens. A
Okay.
place where everyone has secrets to bury and skeletons.
Okay, he's alive. Perfect. So is them. Okay.
6 feet deep or 1,000 fathoms under the sea.
Okay.
Eventually, all things rise to the surface.
Oh, shit. Oh! I just got chills. Holy. That's a way to start off an episode. Wait, that's it? No! I thought there was gonna be more! Ah. Dude, that was sick. So what to show? Yo, that's sick. I already loved, like, the merch. The breadhead. Oh, it's tempting. I want to get a poster. I should probably get a poster. I'm writing this down. Oh my god, dude, that was so hype. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for checking out this reaction video. And I will see you guys later. Bye!